In this video, I will show how to install XAMPP Server on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. Let's get started by downloading XAMPP from this website apachefriends.org, and here click to download XAMPP for Linux. I already have downloaded it on my machine. After a successful download, navigate to download folder by cd on a terminal. Now give the read, write and execution permission to this installer file with this command sudo chmod 755 and then the installer file and hit enter. Now enter the password. Okay. Now you can install XAMPP server with this command sudo /examp .run. Now hit enter. This command will open XAMPP setup wizard. Now click on next. XAMPP will be installed to opt lamp directory. Now click on next to continue installation. Setup is now ready to begin installing XAMPP on your computer. Now click on next. It may take a while for unpacking files and installing and configuring XAMPP on your computer, and also create an uninstaller file. Setup has finished installing XAMPP on your computer. You can launch XAMPP right now. Click on finish. Now to start the application, click on manage servers and then start the Apache web server and MySQL database server. At first, start Apache web server. If you already have installed Apache web server, then configure and change the port number and then click on start and then start MySQL database server. If you already have installed MySQL database server individually, then configure and then change the port number Now click on Start. That's it. Now open a web browser and access localhost PHP MyAdmin. Now access the application from a web browser using the port you have provided. Localhost and port. Okay. Now click on application PHP info, and if you want to access the MySQL database server, click on PHP MyAdmin. That's it. But if you install only XAMPP server on your computer, then you do not need to use the port 81 or 3307. Okay, then you will be able to access PHP MyAdmin. Only type localhost /php myadmin only. Okay, now I am going to create a PHP file and execute in XAMPP web server. Open terminal again and then navigate to opt lamp subdirectory by cd, and here you will find a directory htdocs. Now navigate to htdocs and create a directory with this command. You can enter any name, my case my site. Okay, enter password. Now I am going to give the permission for this folder so that we can create, read and execute the folder or files. So type this command sudo -r and $sign user clone $sign user, and then type the folder name, hit enter. Okay, now open this folder with any text editor. My case Visual Studio Code is preferred. Navigate to this folder and type this command to open Visual Studio Code if you have installed it already on your computer. Now create a new file into my site folder and name it index.php. Okay, now write a simple PHP script here. I am going to write a message that will be displayed on web browser. Hello world, and save this file. Okay, now go to web browser. Now type this URL with port number my site and you will see the message hello world. But if you use port number 80, then you should not use the port number, only use this URL. Okay, if you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.